Welcome. In this video, I'm going to give you an R-length formula example. So remember, the formula states that S, the R-length, is equal to the integral from A to B of 1 plus f prime of x dx. So let's say we have a function, a parabola, y equals x squared, and we're going to compute it from 0 to 4. Then for the formula, all we need to know, so A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 4. So this one is squared, remember. Okay, so f prime of x is equal to 2x, and then f prime of x squared is equal to 4x squared. That means that s is equal to 0 to 4 or 1 plus 4x squared. Dx. Okay, on the next part, I'm going to show you how to compute this integral. So, as you would expect, this integral is not easy to do, but I found a table that gives me the solution to the integral. So it is this here. It involves a inverse sinh. So now all we have to do is go from 0 to 4, and this is approximately 16. So you would say that from here to here is approximately 16. Remember, it's not from, so because, and we can kind of estimate it because look, what happens, so let's say at 4, y equals, we'll say f of 4 is equal to 16. So the function here is 16. And it makes sense because look, if I trace a straight line, it's almost like 16. It will be like 16. So we're on that range. So I think this is 1681, 9. So it seems like we do have a good answer. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, please. It really helps.